Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the clip belt to your waist so it won't shift while you work. Once the belt is sized, add the pouches and clip modules you'll need first. Arrange heavier items near your hip for balance. Thread the belt through the buckle and fasten firmly, then tug to test the lock. Make sure the primary clip point faces forward for quick access. This prevents fumbling and keeps tools oriented for reach and safety as you move on. Now organize tools by how often you use them so you minimize motion and time. Place the most used items in the zone that's roughly a 45-degree arc forward from your center. That makes reaching natural and fast. Put sharp or pointed tools in sheaths to avoid snags, and add retention straps or elastic loops for loose parts. This prevents dropping items when bending or stretching. Once done, walk, squat, and twist slowly to confirm nothing shifts and access feels intuitive. Finish with a movement test to confirm stability and comfort. Bend, squat, and walk a few steps while checking for slipping or noise. If a pouch shifts, tighten its mount or move it closer to your center of gravity. If clips rattle, rotate their orientation or add a small pad to reduce vibration. Make sure retention straps engage securely. If problems persist, remove heavy items and rebalance load. Then repeat the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.